Good morning everybody. Today is the first day of your 30 days challenge and I want to give you some 7 tips to make sure your 30 days is going to be very fruitful as well as you're going to get best results out of the 30 days. The first thing what you need to do when you get up in the morning is to do some positive affirmations. Have some positive affirmations in your hand. I can select some where you're going to tell your mind that you're going to do this 30 days challenge in a perfect way. You're going to cook a right food, you're going to manage the timings, you're going to drink adequate amount of water, you're going to make sure you're doing a oil-free cooking. So whatever you're going to do day-to-day basis, do some positive affirmations so that your brain will accept that you can continue this program for 30 days continuously. The second tip which I want to give you is about timing actually. So because most of them miss out on the timing. So according to your wake up timing, make sure you're managing the timing accordingly. Don't leave gap between your each meal more than 3 hours. At least in the 2.5 hours, you need to catch on your breakfast, your mid-morning, lunch, your evening snacks and dinner has to go hand in hand. Don't skip any meal. Make sure you're eating all the meal on time, which can give you great results. The third tip which I want to give you is about don't starve. No starving at all. So don't think that okay, you're eating too much so I can skip one meal so that I can lose more more than 10 kgs and things like that. Don't go for it. Please make sure you're eating all your meals, because this is a tried and tested method. If you're going to miss any meals again, your energy will go down. So please make sure you're eating whatever you suggested continuously. In case if you're feeling hungry in between, please make sure you're taking cucumber, carrot, or maybe some fruits like watermelon. Any watery fruits you can go for it. Any buttermilk you can drink, more water, lemon honey water, you can go for it extra apart from the things what you mentioned in the chart. Don't starve at all. So these kind of things will not increase your weight. It will keep you in a moderate way. Okay. Fourth tip what I want to give you here is about oil-free cooking, right? So most of them use a lot of oil because it is easy to cook when you add more oil into any of the dish what you prepare. So make sure you're putting very less oil when you're cooking anything. It could be a sauté vegetable, it could be a dosa, it could be a roti, whatever you're making. If you can make it completely oil-free, it is good. But if it is cannot be made oil-free, make use of very less oil. Don't go for very high oil because it can increase your weight. So those are some of the tips which can give you great results. The fifth tip I want to give you about is intake of water. Please make sure you're drinking at least 3 to 4 liters of water on a daily basis. With your morning drink, what you drink in the morning, that with that you can take at least 2 more glasses of water. It is good to have more glasses of water in your empty stomach, which will help you to come out of all these gastric problems, right? Apart from that, another tip is drink water 20 minutes before every meal. Example, if you're before breakfast, 20 minutes before breakfast, drink water. Afternoon also, when you before the lunch, you can drink water, and evening also, maybe in the dinner before the dinner, you drink water. So try to have water before the meal rather than having after the meal. Rather after meal also you can have it, but try to drink at least good amount of water before the meal so that you will not overeat. Sixth tip what I want to give you is about doing some workout on a daily basis. I know most of them are into workout, some of them are not into workout. If you can go for 20 to 40 minutes moderate exercise, it can give you an additional results in what you're doing now. So in the 30 days challenge, definitely you will lose weight, but if you can go for 20 to 40 minutes of moderate exercise, it can give you a better results. According to your timing, you can go and do exercise whenever you can, but morning do exercise will be a better to do, because in the rest of the day you will feel energetic when you do something in the morning, right? Work out in the morning. Lastly, what I want to say is another tip is believe in yourself, believe in us. We have made a great diet plan for you guys, doing all the research available in a lot of books what you have read and things like that. So make sure of this diet in a proper way and definitely you can lose 10 kgs. Don't look for alternatives, just follow inch by inch what were given there. So alternatives will be given only when you are the worst case scenario, when you cannot follow that actually, but otherwise you need to follow whatever written there. So if it is written right, they have written cinnamon water, drink cinnamon water. Don't look for an alternatives, because this plan is tried and tested and you will be able to do it. And believe in yourself, believe in us. Keep the Google aside for some time. Okay, so all the best for everybody for this 30 days challenge. I hope everybody will lose 10 kgs, and I believe that everybody will lose 10 kgs. Only thing is you should believe that you will also be able to lose 10 kgs. If you believe in yourself, definitely 10 plus kgs is possible through this chart what we are given. Thank you very much and have a nice day.